Lihlanda magciwane lesiyingcenye yetintfo letimcoka ekuvikeleni umkhuhlane weCOVID-19 kepha imiphumela yeluhlolo lolubandzakanya nekuhlolwa kwetihlanda magciwane iveta kukhatsateka. Linyenti lalemikhicito yetihlanda magciwane tide emaphesenti lange-70 e-ethanol.
The dangers in using hand sanitizers that are not of the required amounts to serve as virucidal is that they will not do the work as expected, because the viability of a hand sanitizer, in other words its effectiveness, is in the amount of the alcohol that it contains.
Dr. Yusuf uthi lokhu kwentiwa ngenhloso yenzuzo njengaloku i-ethanol imbecolo.
One of the possible reasons why manufacturers will cut corners is that if there are no enough regulation in terms of oversight by the government agencies responsible for checking the standards, that means for every less amount of alcohol that they put in the sanitizer, it's more profit.
I-South African Bureau of Standards lekusikhungo lesibukene nelizinga lemikhicito ithi emakhasimende kufanele akucaphele lokhu, yaxwayisa nangekusetshenziswa kwesihlanda magciwane lesine acetone, methanol kanye ne-methylated spirit.
It is evident that manufacturers may compromise the minimum chemical requirements that are defined in SANS 490 and therefore compromise the effectiveness of the sanitizer in response to COVID-19.
It depends where you buy them. There are shops where you can rely on them that they're selling the proper ones, and then there's whereby you see that this one it's not what you have to use.
Yusuf uthi sikhona sidingo sekuqiniswa kwemithetho letawuvikela takhamuti kulesikhathi salomkhuhlane we-COVID-19.